Making pasta is a lot of fun. It is also a great way to involve children in the kitchen. They will love to turn the handle of the pasta machine. You will need a bench with an overhang of 8 centimetres so that the machine can be firmly attached. This video shows how to roll pasta, how to cut it into fettuccine, and how to make filled pasta shapes. Buy the strongest machine you can, usually Italian, as the cheap ones break and there are no spare parts available. I make pasta dough in the food processor using the formula of 100 grams of flour to 1 egg. I do not add either salt or olive oil to pasta dough, and I rest the dough for an hour before rolling it. Ensure that the pasta machine is firmly attached to the bench and that the work surface is clean and dry. Flatten the dough with 1 thumb and forefinger. Pass the dough through the machine set to its widest setting. Fold one end into the centre and the other end to meet it. Turn 90 degrees and then pass this piece of pasta through the widest setting again. Re-roll this strip of pasta 3 times. Tighten the pasta machine 1 notch. Again, roll the strip of pasta 3 times. Repeat this process, each time moving the pasta machine to the next notch. If the pasta strip becomes too long to handle, cut it in half and continue. Work with 1 piece at a time, leaving the other piece on a dry cloth. If the pasta is to be cut into linguine or fettuccine, pass it through the cutting attachment. Lay the strips on the dry cloth and dust with fine semolina to prevent the fresh pasta sticking. Alternatively, you can hang the strands over a broom handle to dry. If the pasta is to be filled, brush each strip with egg white. Arrange spoonfuls of filling along the length of the pasta strip and fold the pasta over the filling carefully, aiming to extract as much air as possible. Press the pasta between each lump of stuffing, then cut each stuffed pasta shape using a pastry cutter. Press each piece to seal. Fresh pasta such as this takes just a few minutes to cook, so any filling should also be speedy to cook or already cooked.